AMC stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in this freaking space with 41,000 videos made over the last five years, and I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With AMC Entertainment Holdings, I'm here to tell you that it's still one heck of a bullish market for me, you know. And I'm not gonna sit here and just cry about it, but this is all has shifted this previous week because we broke structure up. Now you can see how many receipts I actually have in my Discord regarding AMC, like a crap ton. And all I'm here to tell you is that last thing that I'm going to do when we open up on Tuesday is randomly start getting involved. No, I mean, actually it's going to be quite the opposite. Maybe if I do see my confirmation taking place, maybe over Tuesday or maybe Wednesday, but only if I see my confirmation taking place, only then I'm going to look to take it further up. Because why the heck would I do anything else, right? Anything otherwise. So that's how AMC is specifically looking like, right? This is by no means financial advice. All I'm doing is just waiting for my rules to be met. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.